Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cici. Today we're going to be making a dairy-free peanut butter banana smoothie. Let's do this. The first thing you're gonna need are bananas. Now, I like to make sure that the bananas I use will be very overly ripe so that I don't have to add any additional sugar to the mix. Next ingredient I want to use is peanut butter, and in this case I will be using Skippy peanut butter, and this one has honey in it and it adds a little bit of sweetness to the mix but also keeps it very simple and it's very delicious. Lastly, I will be using the Silk brand almond and coconut mix of milk. This is dairy-free because I am lactose intolerant, but I still love to have that rich, creamy taste that non-dairy can provide. First thing you'll do is cut up the bananas, put them in a container, and freeze them. Keep them in the freezer overnight so that tomorrow they will be frozen, and this way I don't have to add any ice into the mix. I can just use this directly with my cool milk. And I'm gonna come back and show you how to do it after it's been frozen. When your bananas are done freezing, take them out, put them together with 2 cups of milk and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter into your blender and blend. Blend the mix for approximately 30 seconds up to a minute and 30 seconds. I just like to look and make sure that it's to the consistency I want. Just make sure that all the bananas have been crushed and it's a very nice and silky. Now it's my favorite part, tasting the creation. So let's taste it and see how it looks. Delicious. Trust me, your family and friends will love this delicious smoothie. It could be a meal replacement or it could be a nice snack during your day. Enjoy, guys. Until next time, thank you for watching Cooking with Cici, and we out.